What is Tanaga poetry? Tanaga is a traditional form of poetry from the Philippines. It consists of 4 lines with 7 syllables each, resulting in a 7-7-7-7 syllable pattern. Tanaga poems often cover various themes, including love, nature, family, and social issues. This form of poetry has been passed down through generations and is characterized by its concise and rhythmic structure. It's a unique way to express emotions, thoughts, and observations within the constraints of its syllable count. How to write a Tanaga poetry? To write a Tanaga poem, you can follow these steps. 1. Choose a theme. 2. Craft a message. 3. Select words. 4. Construct each line. 5. Form a complete thought. 6. Review and revise. 7. Closing thought. 8. Edit and refine. 9. Share and seek feedback. 10. Practice and experiment. Choose a theme. Decide on the topic or theme you want to explore in your Tanaga. It could be about love, nature, family, or any subject you're interested in. Craft a message. Think about the message or idea you want to convey in your poem. This will help give your writing direction and purpose. Select words. Choose words that fit the 7-7-7-7 syllable pattern for each line. Construct each line. Write your chosen words into 4 lines, adhering to the 7-7-7-7 syllable count for each line. Form a complete thought. Make sure each stanza, 4 lines, forms a complete thought or image. Review and revise. Read through your Tanaga and ensure that the lines are coherent, rhythmically consistent, and convey your intended message. Closing thought. End your poem with a concluding statement, thought, or reflection. Edit and refine. Go back and revise your Tanaga as needed, refining the wording and ensuring it flows well. Share and seek feedback. Share your Tanaga with others, whether it's friends, family, or fellow writers, to get feedback and insights. Practice and experiment. Keep practicing and experimenting with different themes and emotions. The more you write, the more you'll refine your skills. Remember, writing Tanaga poetry is a creative process. Don't be afraid to experiment and express your own emotions and thoughts through this beautiful traditional form of poetry. Here is my Tagalog sample of Tanaga poetry. Yaale, sa, anak, isang, gabing, madalim, tanaw, lalaking, lazing, anak, ay, sasaksakin, ama, handang, akuin.